Hello everyone, let's talk about the KingBank DDR5 96GB memory kit. This kit boasts some impressive specs, designed for gamers, content creators, and anyone who demands top-tier performance from their desktop. This particular kit comes with two 48GB sticks, totaling a massive 96GB of DDR5 memory. It runs at a speed of 6,400 metric tons s, with CL32 timings and a voltage of 1.4V. The kit also features XMP 3.0 and Expo support, offering cross-platform compatibility. However, it's worth noting that the product description does mention that achieving the 6,400 MHz overclock speed is best suited for slots 2 and 4 on overclocking motherboards. Also, due to the memory controllers on AMD platforms, they might be more unstable than Intel platforms when running high-frequency memory. The manufacturer recommends using 6,000 MHz RAM on AMD AM5 platforms to avoid potential issues with Expo profiles. The KingBank memory uses SK Hynix chips, known for their quality and performance. These chips have been rigorously tested to ensure stable output and reliability. Heat dissipation is also a key focus, with a 2mm thick alloy radiator designed to efficiently dissipate heat and maintain optimal performance even during demanding tasks. Aesthetically, the memory features synchronous dynamic double-sided lighting effects, adding a vibrant touch to any gaming rig. The lighting is bright and colorful, creating an immersive esports atmosphere. KingBank offers a lifetime warranty, providing peace of mind and assurance in the product's quality and longevity. Whether you're into gaming, content creation, or simply need a reliable memory kit for daily use, the KingBank DDR5 96GB aims to deliver worry-free performance.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.